Hello everybody and welcome to another Python tutorial, and today we are just going to do some basic functions for beginners. So I'm just going to create some functions here. This is the first function, and let's have a look. So let's print a message from inside the first function. Hello from the first function. Okay, so we're going to do second function here. Define second function. Okay, and we're going to do it slightly different this way. I'm going to use the no, we're just going to do it ordinary. We'll just do it like standard. I don't want to confuse you. We'll just do it standard. So just going to do the standard message. So that's going to be hello from the second function. Okay, and we're going to do a little bit of flow control in this as well. I'll show you how we can control the flow of the program. So let's have a look. Define third function. Okay, print hello from the third function. Hello from the third function. Okay, so I've finished with functions now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some program control or flow control. So make another function called program control, and with this we shall control the flow of the program, how it executes. So I want to execute first function. Yeah, that's right. First function, and second function, and third function. Okay, so we're just going to save that, and we're just going to run the program as it is now and see what happens. Nothing happens. Why is nothing happening? Nothing is happening because we haven't called the program. In order to execute the program, you need to call it. We're going to call it by simply typing down here program control. So literally, to call this program to execute all these functions, we're going to execute program control, which is the program control here, or the program flow. So I'll just save that and run the program again, and there you go. Hello from the first function, which is here. Sorry about that, it keeps disappearing. Hello from the second function, which is this one here, and hello from the third function, which is the third function here. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I will see you in another video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. It will really help my channel. So thank you very much, and bye-bye.